Good morning, my name's Errol Lafayette. I work for Derby Associates and we're a channel partner of Teradyne. Our primary focus is on data collection, and so what I'm going to overview today is how we've used the S4M platform to improve our data collection from the Teradyne TestStation. So first of all, the thing that we were very interested in was the ease of integration that this new platform has brought to the table. It basically enables us to use the built-in APIs to collect data, which has significantly reduced the effort to integrate to this platform. Secondly, and probably the thing that we were the most excited about, was the ability to augment the device under test data with machine data, which we were not able to do before. And so by pulling the data in, we've been able to get the machine data and, for example here, pull it into our software for data analytics and display test status, pass, fail in a pie chart, for example. Secondly, we've been able to collect temperature data, which we were not able to do before. And so we can pull the temperature data from the machine and we can display it in a gauge to monitor what's happening from a temperature perspective. Secondly, with the temperature data and our analytics, we can also display it as a run chart. Again, we can see what's affecting the temperature of the machine over time. And then finally, obviously, the TestStation has a lot of power supplies that generate specific voltages, and we were able to pull those voltages in to a range of run charts so we can look at the power behavior over time as well, so we can make sure we can protect the machine for obvious cases. So in a way, what we've been able to do is now provide customers with device under test data in a much easier way, of course, and secondly, add machine data to the mix. Ultimately, this really is the way to go by pulling those two things together, and we're looking forward to more machine data capability moving forward. Thank you very much.